Unraveling the phrase, bay leaf. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we'll be diving deep into the world of English phrases by discussing one in particular, bay leaf. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Bay leaf refers to the aromatic leaves of several plants, most commonly the bay laurel. These leaves are used as a seasoning in cooking to add flavor to dishes. They are often used in soups, stews, and other recipes that simmer for a long time. It's worth noting that while they add a great flavor, they are typically removed from the dish before serving as they can be tough to chew and swallow. The term bay leaf can be traced back to the Latin word laurus, which means laurel. Historically, the laurel was a symbol of victory and honor in ancient Greece and Rome. You might have seen depictions of victorious athletes or prominent individuals wearing laurel wreaths on their heads. But in our kitchens today, the bay leaf is less about victory and more about enhancing the taste of our favorite meals. Understanding the meaning of a phrase is just half the battle. Now, let's look at some example sentences using bay leaf. 1. Don't forget to remove the bay leaf before serving the soup. 2. Adding a bay leaf to your rice can impart a subtle aroma. 3. I think this stew needs a bay leaf to enhance its flavor. And there you have it. Now you not only know what bay leaf means but also its origins and how to use it in a sentence. We hope this has been an enlightening journey into the aromatic world of bay leaves. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating intricacies of the English language.